Welcome in Arithmetic Progression Part 1. In this video, we are going to discuss what is arithmetic progression. This chapter is for class 10 as well as arithmetic progression is there in class 11. So let us see what is arithmetic progression. Let us take a constant number, any number, suppose 5. Now go on adding a fixed number. Let us take a fixed number 2. Let us take a fixed number 2 and go on adding 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13, and so on. Here these numbers 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 are said to be in arithmetic progression. Okay. Why? Because here each number is obtained by adding a fixed number 2 to its previous number. 13 is obtained by adding 2 to its previous number 11. 11 is obtained by adding 2 to its previous number 9. 9 is obtained by adding a fixed number 2 in its previous number 7. So why these numbers are said to be in arithmetic progressions. A list of numbers are said to be in arithmetic progression if each number is obtained by adding a fixed number to its previous number. अगर हर एक नंबर उसके पहले वाले नंबर में एक फिक्स्ड नंबर ऐड करके आ रहा है तो नंबर्स को हम लोग अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में बोलते हैं. लेट अस सी एन अनदर एग्जांपल. 1. लेट अस गो ऑन एडिंग ए फिक्स्ड नंबर. वो फिक्स्ड नंबर आप 5 ले लीजिए. चलिए यहाँ 5 लेते हैं फिक्स्ड नंबर. सो 6 हो गया. 1 प्लस 5, 6 प्लस 5, 11. 11 प्लस 5, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 5, 26. So here also each number, these numbers are obtained by adding a fixed number. What is that fixed number? 5 to its previous number. So these numbers are said to be in arithmetic progression. ये सब arithmetic progression में. This is an arithmetic progression. This is an arithmetic progression. Why? Because here each number is obtained by adding a fixed number to its previous number. Understood? So what is arithmetic progression? This is a list of numbers where each number is obtained by adding a fixed number to its previous number, and that fixed number is called the common difference. This is an arithmetic progression. And how this arithmetic progression is obtained? By adding a constant 2 to its previous number. Each number is obtained here by adding 2 to its previous number. And so why here always difference is 2, 7, 9, going on increasing 2 to 13, then 15, then 17. It is going on increasing. Maybe increase or decrease. Here difference is always maintained 2. Here difference of any number and its previous number is maintained 2. So this is an arithmetic progression, and this 2 is called common difference. This 2 is called common difference. What is called this? Common difference. Common difference. And common difference is denoted by D. उसको D लेटर से हम लोग डिनोट करते हैं. This is an arithmetic progression. What is the difference? Difference कितना का जा रहा है? माने कोई टर्म और उसके प्रीवियस टर्म का डिफरेंस 26 minus 21 ये हो जाएगा डिफरेंस. 21 minus 16 will gives you the difference. Difference means that constant number जिसको ऐड करके ये आया है. And what is that difference? 5. So here 5 is the common difference, that is D. Number may decrease. See another example. Let us take 10. and let us take a fixed number -5 and go on adding -5 on each term. 10 plus -5, 5 plus -5, 0 plus -5, -5 plus -5, -10 plus -5. Here what happened? Here each term is obtained by adding -5 to its previous term. -15 is obtained by adding -5 to its previous term, -10. -10 is obtained by adding -5 to its previous term, -5. So this is also an arithmetic progression. And here, what is the difference? That is called common difference. Common difference is here -5. Okay, -5 is the common difference. How this -5 will come? In order to get this common difference, you take any term and subtract the previous term. Any term minus previous term will gives you the common difference. Any term minus its previous term will gives you the common difference. Okay, so I hope you have understood what does it mean arithmetic progression. See one more. Let us take first term is 3. Okay, these are called terms. 10, 5, 0, -5, -10, -15 are in arithmetic progression. Then this 10, 5, 0, these are separately called its terms. This is called first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, and so on. So let us take 3, first term. And your constant number, what you want to add is, let us take 0. 3 plus 0, again 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0. So this is also an arithmetic progression. Here each term is obtained by adding 0 to its previous term. Is not it? This is obtained by adding 0 to its previous term. This is obtained by adding 0 to its previous term, and so on. So this is also arithmetic progression. And here what is common difference? Difference is 3 minus 3, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 3 minus 3, 0. So here common difference is 0. मतलब टर्म के बीच डिफरेंस जो है वो 0 का है. यहाँ टर्म के बीच डिफरेंस जो है -5 है. यहाँ टर्म के बीच का डिफरेंस 5. Difference is 2. So I hope you have understood what does it mean arithmetic progression and its common difference. Let us write once more. 1, 5, 10, 15, ... It is in arithmetic progression. Why? Because each term is obtained by adding a fixed number, and that fixed number is 5 to its previous number, and hence these numbers are in arithmetic progression. And what is that fixed number? 5. That 5 is the common difference here. In order to get that common difference, you have to subtract any term and its previous term. Common difference can be obtained by subtracting any term minus its previous term. ये घटा दीजिए तो आपको आ जाएगा वो constant difference. You can write 10 minus 5, you can write 5 minus 1, and so on, is the common difference. So this is an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression को short में ऐसे लिखते हैं, AP, arithmetic progression. Here this is called first term of this arithmetic progression, and first term is written as T1. T1 denotes mean term 1, first term. This is second term, it is written as T2. T2 means term 2, second term. Term 3, third term, and so on. Okay. Secondly, see, if you write this much, 1, 5, 10, 15, only 4 number, these are in arithmetic progression. Okay, if you write here in this way dot dot, it means it will continue. So if you write only 4, then it is called arithmetic progression with 4 terms, a finite terms, maybe 5 term, 10 term, 20 terms, finite number of terms. If you are writing dot dot, it means infinite number of terms. So if finite number of terms are there, then it is called finite arithmetic progression. If infinite terms are there, we will say infinite arithmetic progression. So I hope you have understand what does it mean arithmetic progression, what is its common difference, how can you check whether a given progression is arithmetic progression or not, and what is finite and infinite arithmetic progression. Now let us see something more. See, I am writing an arithmetic progression to, let us go on adding a fixed number 5, 7, 12, 12 plus 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 5, 22. So these are in arithmetic progression. Here your first term is 2, second term is 7, third term is 12, and what constant number here added? To get any term, what constant number is added to its previous term? 5. That 5 is your common difference, or this common difference can be calculated by any number to its previous number. 22 minus 7, or you can write 12 minus 7, you can write 7 minus 2, any term minus its previous term will gives you the common difference, and it is 5. So here common difference is 5. Okay, now you see, if you observe minutely, you will get this arithmetic progression can be written like this. First term is 2. Okay, second term can be written as 2 plus 5. Common difference is 5, so it can be written as 2 plus 5. Third term can be written as 2 plus 5 plus 5, means 2 plus 2 into 5. This will gives you third term. Fourth term can be written as 2 plus 3 into 5, and so on. 2 plus 3 into 5, 17. Next will be 2 plus 4 into 5. In this way we can write the progression, is not it? Or you can say, if suppose this progression is not given, your first term is 2 and common difference is suppose 5, you can write the entire arithmetic progression. Your first term is 2, what will be second term? 2 plus d, 2 plus d, not 5, right? What will be third term? 2 plus, first term is 2, second term is 2 plus 5, third term will be 2 plus 2 into 5, fourth term 2 plus 3 into 5, and so on. You will get the entire arithmetic progression. Okay, now from this concept we are going to drive a very important result which will be useful for solving problems. Let us see what is the result. If suppose first term is a, suppose first term of an arithmetic progression is suppose A, and its D means what? Let us write it, common difference. Here write in language, and common difference. Common difference. Common difference is suppose D. Then the arithmetic progression AP is written as, उसको कैसे लिखेंगे अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन को? योर फर्स्ट टर्म इज ए. What will be second term? Second term can be obtained by adding common difference to its previous term. Second term के लिए इसमें आपको D add करना पड़ेगा common difference को. This will be your second term. What will be third term? Third term can be obtained by adding the constant number D in second term. इसमें और एक बार D जोड़ देना पड़ेगा, तो ये हो जाएगा A plus 2D. What will be fourth term? You have to add D in third term. इसमें और D add कर दीजिएगा तो what will be next? And so on. So in this way, if first term is known or given and common difference is given, you can write the arithmetic progression. ये हो गया आपका arithmetic progression. And here if you see minutely, T1 denotes first term of the progression. What is first term? What is second term? A plus D. Second term is your A plus D. What is third term? A plus 2D. What is fourth term? A plus 3D, and so on. What will be 10th term? I hope you have understood. See, in second term 1D, third term 2D, fourth term 3D, 10th term 9D. What will be 15th term? A plus 14D. What will be 20th term? A plus 19D. I hope now you have understood. So what will be nth term? Tn means nth term. N means any number. Maybe 20th term, maybe 50th term, maybe 100th term. N may be any number. Then this can be calculated by A plus n minus 1 into D. 20th term A plus 20 minus 1 D. 15th term A plus 15 minus 1 into D. 10th term A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So what will be nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D. This will gives you the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So if first term is known, common difference is known, you can write nth term by using A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term, D is the common difference, and what is n? N denotes number of term, which term we are calculating. If we are calculating 50th term, then n will be 50. If we calculate 20th term, then n will be 20. If we calculate 100th term, then n will be 100. So this will be used as a formula for finding nth term of an arithmetic progression. Let us see an example which will clear everything. Let us take an example is one example is taken 2, 5, 8, 11 up to in this way. Dot dot means it is up to 244. What is written? 2, 5, 8, 11 up to 244. First of all, you check whether this is an arithmetic progression or not. Secondly, if it is an arithmetic progression, then what is its common difference? Then after we discuss the rest other thing. Here you will check in this way. 8 minus 5, how much? 3. 11 minus 8, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. So here difference of any term and its previous term is 3. It means here each term is obtained by adding 3 to its previous term, and hence it is in arithmetic progression. That's clear? If this is in arithmetic progression, find number 1, number of terms. Secondly, 20th term. Third, 10th term from end, E-N-D, end. Let us calculate these 3 things, then everything will clear related to arithmetic progression, means basic concept what is arithmetic progression. First of all, here this is our arithmetic progression. It is arithmetic progression, we have checked it. Here first term, that is T1, or it is sometime written as A. First term A लिखते हैं. What is it? ये दिया हुआ है आपका 2. What is common difference here? In order to get common difference, take any term, कोई एक term ले लीजिए, minus its previous term will gives you common difference. That is 3. 2, 5, 8, 11, it is up to 244. You have to find number of term, means how many terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way up to 224. How many terms are there? That you have to calculate. So you will write, let number of terms equal to, suppose n. Let 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 244, n terms are there. So we have to calculate the value of n. If n terms are there, then what will be nth term? Suppose 4 terms are there, then 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there, then this is 4th term. If 3 terms are there, this is 3rd term. This is 2nd term. If n terms are there, then this will be your nth term. Is not it? 1, 2, 3, 4 we are considering, we have suppose there are n terms, so this will be your nth term. जैसे 4 टर्म्स है तो ये क्या हुआ 4th टर्म. मान लो यहीं तक रहता 3 टर्म्स तो ये 3rd हो जाता ना, तो n टर्म्स है तो ये nth हो जाएगा. तो nth term is written as Tn. It is your 244. This is your nth term. Also, we know nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for nth term. Is not it? Here what is nth term? Nth term is your 244. A means first term. N यही तो calculate करना है. N you have to calculate how many terms are there. N minus 1 into D, common difference is 3. From here we calculate the value of n. This 2 will come this side and it will be subtracted from 244, so it will be 242, and this 3 will come down, and this side it is n minus 1, is not it? So what will be n minus 1? Let us divide it. 242. No, 240. You take this, just a minute, ये जो लास्ट टर्म जो लिए है ना, इसको आप 245 ले लीजिए. We can take 2, 5, 8, 11 up to 245 term. Last term is 245. This nth term is your 245. ये तो अपने से लिए है ना एक एग्जाम्पल. Last term is, let us suppose, 245. Okay, so this is 245. Okay, just a minute. Understood this? We are taking 2, 5, 8, 11 up to 245. Question is find number of term. Okay, so we have assumed number of term n. So this last one 245 will be your nth term. Make it 245. Then only exact answer will come. Okay. So nth term is your 245. So Tn will be taken as 245. I think understood. So 245 minus 2, 243. And this 3 will come in this way. Understand? So this will be your n minus 1. N minus 1 equal to 245 minus 2 by 3. So how much it will come? 3 8 जा 24. ये 44 लेने से ये 42 आ रहा था, तो 3 से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा था ना, तो इसलिए इसका टर्म नहीं होगा वो 244. 245 will be a term of this arithmetic progression. Understood? So we have to take 245. 244 इसका टर्म नहीं आएगा, है ना? So it is n minus 1 equal to 81. So what is coming n? 82. Means 2, 5, 8, 11 up to 245. How many terms will be there? 82 टर्म्स आएगा. जैसे एक टर्म, दो टर्म, तीन टर्म, चार टर्म करके यहाँ तक कितना टर्म होगा? 82. और ये कौन सा होगा? 82th टर्म. If you find 82th term, it will come to 45. That we will check. Wait, 82th term this is coming or not? Let us check. देरी क्यों? 82th term find. 245 it should come. What will be 82th term? A plus 81D. यही होता है. A means 2 plus 81D. D means our 3. 2 plus, so it is coming 245. Means our answer is correct. Okay. So what is number of term? 82. First question is over. Now second. Second is 20th term you have to calculate. 20th term you have to calculate. Term 20. Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So what will be 20th term? A plus 20 minus 1 into d, 19d. So it will be a means 2 plus 19 into d, 3. So you can calculate it. What will be 19th term? 20th term? 2 plus, so it is 59. Okay, this will be your 20th term. And now this is important. 10th term from end. Let me rough this part, then we discuss. this third one is important one. 10th term from end. Let us write from end side. 2 4 5. What will be previous one? देखिए 3 3 बढ़ते जा रहा है ना, इट इज गोइंग ऑन इंक्रीजिंग 3 3, तो 3 इसमें से माइनस कर दीजिए 242 इफ यू आर राइटिंग फ्रॉम ऑपोजिट साइड. 3 और घटा दीजिए 239 और 3 घटा दीजिए 236 एंड सो ऑन. लास्ट विल बी योर 2. 5 करके लास्ट में 2 आएगा. सो इन दिस वे, ये समझे इसको, ये ऐसे है ना, फिर ऐसे करके 8 आएगा, फिर 5 आएगा, लास्ट में 2 होगा. इन दिस वे दिस इज योर अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर. क्वेश्चन इज 10th term from end. From end this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, and so on. You have to find 10th term from end. From end, what is first term? फर्स्ट टर्म, चलिए इसको a लेते हैं, इक्वल टू 245. ये होगा आपका फर्स्ट टर्म. एंड व्हाट इज कॉमन डिफरेंस? कॉमन डिफरेंस मीन्स फ्रॉम एंड. हाउ? एनी टर्म माइनस इट्स प्रीवियस टर्म. कोई टर्म ले लीजिए, चलिए 239 ले लीजिए, माइनस इट्स प्रीवियस टर्म. इसके पहले वाला कितना? 242. सो व्हाट विल बी? -3. -3 will be your common difference here. Here any term minus its previous term will gives you -3. This minus this will gives you -3. This minus this will gives you -3. So if you consider it from end side, your first term will be this last one, and common difference will be -3. Earlier it was 3. इधर से 3 था कॉमन डिफरेंस, बैक साइड से लीजिएगा तो कॉमन डिफरेंस खाली साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. 3 था ना, -3 हो गया. Therefore what is required? 10th term from end. तो वैसे इधर से फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड करके 10th निकाल लीजिए. वही सेम a प्लस 9d. 10th term will be a plus 10 minus 1 into d means 9d. So it will be a means 245 plus 9 into d. d means here -3. Understood? So what will be this? This will be 245 minus 27. ये माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस कर लीजिए इसको. 15 minus 7 8. Here it is 3. 3 minus 2 1, and here it is 2. 218 will be 10th term from end. अंतिम तरफ से अगर निकालिएगा तो 10th term आएगा 218. So I hope you have understood what is arithmetic progression, what is its common difference, how can you check whether a given progression is arithmetic or not, how can you find common difference, how can you find any term of an arithmetic progression. Is not it? There is a formula for finding nth term of an arithmetic progression. What is that formula? Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you tell me √2, √8, √18, √32, है ना, and so on. Question is this in AP? Your question is √2, √8, √18, √32 and so on are in AP? क्या ये AP में है? If it is in AP, अगर AP में है, then find common difference. अगर एपी में है तो इसका कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालिए, एंड ऑल्सो फाइंड इट्स 10th टर्म। ये है लास्ट इस वीडियो का, जरा देखिए तो ध्यान से। क्वेश्चन इज ये क्वेश्चन मार्क है, इज दिस इन एपी? √2, √8, √18, √32 ये क्या एपी में है? यस या नो, ये पहले बताना। अगर एपी में नहीं है, ओवर, गेम ओवर। इफ इट इज इन एपी, अगर एपी में आ जाता है, देन वी फाइंड इट्स कॉमन डिफरेंस एंड ऑल्सो फाइंड इट्स 10th टर्म। फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म, फोर्थ टर्म, what will be 10th? This is what is your question. I think you have understood the problem, what is there. See, here take the difference of any term and its previous term. Any term, √18 minus its previous term, 8. Any term and its previous term. These differences should come same. ये difference सब हमेशा same आना चाहिए. Then only it is in arithmetic progression. And whatever difference come, that difference will be your common difference. Let us find what will be √18 minus √8. Okay. √18 can be written as √9 into 2. And this can be written as 4 into 2. It is 3√2 minus it is 2√2. See, is not it? ये 9 का 3 हो जाएगा, 4 का 2 हो जाएगा. 3√2 minus 2√2, what will be? 1√2. Difference is coming √2. What will be this difference? This can be written as 4 into 2. So it is 2√2 minus √2 here. So here also √2. So here difference of any term and its previous term is √2. Any term and its previous term √2, and hence it is in arithmetic progression. Hence it is an arithmetic progression with common difference √2 and first term a equal to √2. First term is also √2. Common difference is also √2. Okay, so this is an arithmetic progression with common difference 2 and first term is also 2, and therefore what is required? 10th term. 10th term will be a plus 9d. I think you have understood it. 10th term will be a plus 10 minus 1 into d, directly 9d. 15th term a plus 49d, and so on. What is a? First term. 9. What is d? Common difference √2. 9 √2 plus √2, it is 10 √2. 10 if you write inside the root, it will becomes 10 square, means 100. So it can be written as 200. Is not it? 10 को रूट के अंदर लिख देंगे तो 100 हो जाएगा. 100 into 2, 200. So what will be 10th term? √200. So in this way we can find any term, common difference, number of term, any term from beginning, any term from end. All these things can be done by the concept of arithmetic progression. Okay, so I hope you have understood arithmetic progression. So in this video this much. Go on watching arithmetic progression. In the next video we see some more results related to arithmetic progression. So thank you for watching.